Welcome to Plastoform, a company which is situated in a pleasant Slovenian village called Šmarjeta. We are a fast-growing manufacturer for high-quality thermoformed elements, which range from items and components for the caravan industry, elements for special vehicles and buses, smaller components for white appliances, all the way to plastic commercial elements. At Plastoform, most of our products are sold in the EU market. Our advantage is in entirely mastering all degrees of development and production. Let's take a look at how Plastoform turns an idea into a final product. The development of a new product starts with an idea. Based on this idea, which is usually mediated by the potential customer, we perform a series of discussions. Customer response is very important for us since it determines which path is the most suitable for development. Development can then be carried out in different manners, based on 3D models, 2D technical documentation, models, or so-called buckle-ups. Most frequently, we use 3D models, which are mediated from our potential customer or are made in our development department based on our customer's idea. 3D models are the most reliable and precise in the development path of a new product. Based on these models, we prepare an NC code, which is intervened on a CNC machine where a tool out of aluminum, wood, or composite material is developed. During cultivation, we cool the trimming tool with emulsion. When the tooling is finished, we clean it and prepare it for the next operation, vacuum forming. The tool is placed into the vacuum form machine, which is operated with a pre-programmed microprocessor for controlling all phases of the forming process. We then place a sheet of material into the machine and heat it to the desired temperature, which varies based on the type and thickness of the sheet of material. When we reach the desired temperature, the material, with the help of the vacuum, transforms along the contour of the tooling. After the forming, the cooling phase starts. When the temperature lowers so much that deformation is excluded, the item is taken off the tooling and placed in a crate. The semi-manufactured part is now ready to be trimmed. This is usually made on a 5-axle CNC machine. In this phase, we place the part on a prepared clamped mold and program the trimming operation using ISO programming. When the program is finished and our quality and development department validate the first sample, it is sent for validation to our customer. When we receive confirmation from our customer that the part meets their standards, we can begin with serial production. After the parts are trimmed, we label, clean, and pack them accordingly and send them to the customer. The remaining parts of the trimmed material at the end of the production cycle are grinded into granular formations and at a later stage can be reproduced into sheets of material. Customers build our products into their own end products. With our products, we supply many different industrial branches. We would especially like to increase our recognition in the automotive and caravan industry, which should be achievable based on our knowledge and technical equipment. In the future, we will continue offering our customers an entire service, from the initial plan, development of the tooling, and delivery of high-quality products.